Come test drive the 2019 Titan. The Titan houses the Endurance V8 engine, the largest standard truck engine in its class. But the benefits don't stop there. The massive interior cabin boasts a fold-up rear bench seat and a flat loading floor. When it comes to power and comfort, the Titan can't be beat and is priced below $50,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, traction control, air conditioning, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, Bluetooth, alloy wheels, backup camera, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes. Come take a test drive today.